Hello guys, this is Muhammad. You are watching session number 4 on SAP Academy. This is General Ledger Accounting Part 2. In this session, we will discuss about integration. Before we move on to integration, let's review the topics we have learned in session number 3. We have learned about FI organizational units, client, its definition, system landscape, types of clients, role of a client, and we have seen the settings in T-code SEC4. Company code, its definition, steps to set up a company code, and briefly we have discussed the global parameters, and we have seen a demo where we have created a company code by copying from a reference company code. Company, what is a company, users of a company, we have configured a company and assigned the company to the company code. Profit center, what is a profit center, users of a profit center, we have created a profit center in a demo. Segment, definition of a segment, users of a segment, and we have done a demo, we have created a segment and assigned the same to a profit center. Functional area, what is a functional area, users of a functional area, we have created a functional area in a demo. And finally, business area, what is a business area, users, and we have done a demo, created a business area. Now let us move on to General Ledger Accounting Part 2. Integration of organizational units. The biggest advantage of implementing SAP in large business is its integration with other business departments, which no other ERP has today, and it has the best customizing to handle most types of business requirements. Financial accounting integrates with various other modules. The company code is assigned to the appropriate organizational units of these modules by doing simple customizations. Let's see how financial accounting organizational units are integrated with other modules. Let's first look at integration with controlling. For the financial accounting module, assignment with the controlling area is the most important. One or more company codes can be assigned to the same controlling area. If we want to assign a company code to a controlling area, we need to make sure that the fiscal year variant and the operating chart of accounts must be identical. For example, if the controlling area uses the fiscal year variant K4, the company code also must have the same fiscal year variant, that is K4. The same goes for chart of accounts. If the controlling area is assigned to the chart of accounts YCOA, the company code also must use the same chart of accounts, that is YCOA. The operating concern is assigned to the controlling area. And since controlling area is assigned to company code, this indirectly links operating concern with the company code as well. The operating concern is the organizational unit of profitability analysis. Let's see the integration with logistics components. Assignment of plant to company code plays the most vital role in integrating financial accounting with logistics components such as materials management or MM, sales and distribution or SD, warehouse management or WM, plant maintenance or PM, and so on. Purchasing organization is an organizational unit in materials management, or in short MM module. One purchasing organization can be assigned to a single company code. This is in the case of decentralized procurement system. Or no assignment of purchasing organization with company code is also possible. Since plant is assigned to company code as well as purchasing organization, this indirectly integrates purchasing organization with company code. This is helpful if the company deals in central procurement scenario. This cross-company code purchase organization is useful for better negotiations at corporate level. Sales organization is an organizational unit in sales and distribution module. Multiple sales organizations can be assigned to a single company code. But one sales organization cannot be assigned to multiple company codes. Let's look at integration with HCM, also known as Human Capital Management. SAP HCM is new version of SAP HR module. Personnel area is the organizational unit in HCM module. One personnel area is assigned to a single company code. Let's look at a diagram and see how company code is assigned to various organizational units. You can see the company code is in the middle, and you can see the various organizational units from other modules are linked to the company code. You can see the credit controlling area, is linked to company code, operating concern linked to controlling area, and then controlling area is assigned to company code. You can see the sales organization from SD module is also linked to company code. The plant is also linked to company code. And you can see the purchasing organization linked to company code as well. And you can also see the personnel area linked to company code. And there are subunits in each of these components which are linked to their respective organizational units. Like for example, under sales organization you have distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group. Under plant you have various storage locations and shipping point. Plant is also linked to distribution chain, sales area, and purchasing organization. And purchasing organization is linked to purchasing group. And personnel area is linked to personnel sub area. Now this diagram is slightly different. It shows the assignment relationship between each of the organizational units. For example, you can see in one country you can create n number of company codes, and one company can be normally assigned to only one company code. And you can see multiple sales organizations can be assigned to one company code. Same goes with plant. We have already seen how the assignment with purchasing organization is done with company code in the previous slides. You can see the personnel area assignment with company code is 1-to-1. We have reached the end of this session. Let's review what we have learned in this session. We have learned that integration makes SAP the best, but it also makes it a little complex. How controlling module is integrated with FI through controlling area. We have also seen integration with logistics components like plant, purchasing organization, sales organization, and how they are integrated with company code. And integration with HCM module, personnel area is integrated with company code. And finally, we have seen a couple of diagrams which shows the relationship or assignment between various organizational units with company code. And we also seen the assignment relationship, whether it is one-to-many or one-to-one.